London's population is growing rapidly, meaning an ever-increasing demand for goods and services. Making and receiving deliveries at the best time for your business will allow you to manage that demand and help you reduce costs, increase efficiencies, lower emissions, and improve services. Retiming your deliveries outside peak periods can bring many wider benefits. Amongst them, helping lower congestion in the mornings and evenings, which can help ease conflict with vulnerable road users such as cyclists and pedestrians. It can also help fleet operators reduce costs and lower emissions. To achieve this, it's important to work with businesses and London boroughs, finding ways to encourage best practices. The use of quieter equipment plays a key part in those practices and can help to ensure deliveries are carried out in a sensitive way to minimise the impact on local residents. In this short video, we'll demonstrate how quieter equipment can have a significant and positive impact on reducing noise. We'll show you a beer delivery carried out by DHL Tradeteam at the Queens Larder in Queen Square, London, using barrels. After that, we'll show you the same delivery using rubber matting. The difference in delivery noise levels is substantial and proves that you don't have to make a big investment to achieve results. Here's the standard delivery with the noise level recorder. Now here's the same activity undertaken using rubber matting, and the noise level recording to go with it, compared to the standard delivery. Here's the standard collection of empty barrels and the noise level recording. Now here's the collection with rubber matting. It's clear to see that using quieter equipment can help you reduce noise disruption and play a vital role in retiming deliveries. To find out more, contact freight@tfl.gov.uk or go to tfl.gov.uk/freight.